Alright, so today we're going to be knocking out a custom for an art gallery. It's a local gallery. It's called the Dillsboro Arts Friendship Gallery. So we're going to go ahead and knock this piece out, and then I'll show some footage from the event. I'd like to give a shout out to Dillsboro Arts Friendship Gallery. I've actually had my pieces displayed there a couple times. This was from my first display, which was in 2021, and I'm going to be showing the ones I did in 2022, as well as the custom I did. In terms of this channel, please go ahead and like, subscribe, and do all that stuff. I plan on dropping an about video next week, talking about some of the things that I do, because a lot of people have been looking at this channel. You've been seeing films, customs, custom cars, custom sneakers, that kind of thing. So I'm going to be talking about some of that stuff. And until then, I'll see you.